Xbox X Series 2022 version. Yes, I said 2022 version of the Xbox X 1TB SSD drive with ultimate gameplay. We will pop this open for you and let's see. I think here we go. One cut. We will do this Filipino style. That's why they... let's see. Oh, we have more.
Yeah.
It goes. Ding, 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 ding. Ooh, look at that.
Oh, wow.
Power your dreams or power your asawa, your wife.
Yeah.
Oh, now she can sit there and play games all day long instead of being on her phone playing games.
Yeah.
Yeah, she will like this. This thing's a lot more heavy. This cube is a lot heavier than I would have ever imagined. It definitely has some meat to it. Wow, quite heavy actually.
Yeah.
I think my asawa might have a problem picking that up. It's heavier than a coconut. Why not coconut? Let's see.
Wow.
Oh, nice fan. The thing I like about this is you can lay... The great thing about this box here is you could hypothetically lay it down like this. You could stand it up like this. The Sony PlayStation 5, you only have one option. You go straight up or you have to buy a stand for it to lay down on the side. So that's a problem there.
Yeah.
The Sony PlayStation 5 is a good box, but honestly, the Xbox has been around since day one. There is nothing that's going to beat it.
Yeah.
And if you really want to, you could use it as a computer. You can watch TV on it. You can do so many different things. The only way to go. Here's the back side here. We have our HDMI out. We have storage expansion. Of course, we have the power. This would be for your Ethernet. That would be for USB there and there. That's your micro lock there.
It's HDMI.
Yeah.
Wow.
You also have a place where you can put in your drive right there if you want to watch a DVD.
Wow.
Let's see what else we have here. Power cord. We have an official HDMI cable here, and I would always suggest use the cable that comes with the box because it's actually probably gonna be better than more store-bought cords. This one will be a higher grade, and it's designed specifically for this unit. We have our controller right here. Unfortunately, someday it would be really nice if they just did like an option where you can get two with this. But in the meantime, of course, the batteries. We've already ordered a battery pack today. Nice and simple, very nice to handle. This will be mine. Of course, my controller. Let's see what else. I think that might actually be it. Wow, that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
That's the only battery
Yeah, that's it.
and cord.
Yeah.
It's HDMI and it's... So that's the test. Let's do in a Best Buy, that Xbox. So the price in a Best Buy it's $499 here in the US, but in the Philippines it's like 25,000 pesos, the Xbox, the latest one. So yun guys, we tried now. Let's start. And for today, our unboxing Xbox. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and shout out to Boy TV Motovlog. Don't forget to subscribe him.
You said KTV Motovlog?
Yeah.
Huh.
Bye bye. See you next time.